What up, everybody? Listen, Valentine's Day is coming very soon, and I don't know what you have planned with your special someone, but if it involves drinks, I may have a recipe to help you today. What am I making? I am making a chocolate liqueur. What is it? It is a alcohol-based syrup, for a lack of better words. And you would normally purchase it from Godiva, but they don't make it anymore. And you could probably find it on Amazon, but it's like $25, $30, and I don't want to pay that when I could probably make it with some stuff that I have around the house, okay? So you will need cocoa, okay? So you could use Hershey's, you could use milk chocolate cocoa, you could use dark chocolate cocoa. I am using a Dutch processed cocoa. I don't like that super duper sweet taste of milk chocolate. I'm more of a dark chocolate girl anyway, so I'm gonna be using this, okay? Also, you need some vanilla extract, pure. You need some water, and you need some sugar. I am using turbinado sugar because, again, the less processed, the better. My turbinado sugar, I have my cocoa, I have my vanilla extract. You're gonna need a pinch of salt, okay? And a little bit of vodka. You can use whatever alcohol you want to use, okay? I'm choosing vodka because it's the most neutral of the alcohol, so it is most likely to pick up the flavor that you're intending to give it, okay? Now, on Savage Kitchen, she used brandy, and I can imagine that that tastes delicious as well. So you can use whatever alcohol you want, okay? But I just know that with vodka, you're just gonna get just the taste that you're intending to give it, as opposed to the taste you're intending to give it plus like some cute little undertones of different tastes. You know what I mean? So we're not going for that today. We're just going for vodka. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is get your 1 1/4 cup of sugar, whatever sugar you're choosing. It's definitely more than a quarter. 1 1/4 with 3/4 of a cup of the cocoa. We're gonna stir this up. We're stirring up the sugar and the cocoa because chances are if you don't stir it up and integrate it real good, it's gonna clump up when you get ready to pour it out. To reduce the possibility of that happening, we go ahead and we stir it up, okay? So now, okay. So our mixture is fully integrated. Now is a good time to add that tablespoon of vanilla. The tablespoon of vanilla. Taste it with the vanilla. I tasted it without the vanilla and it was delicious. So let's see what difference the vanilla makes. It does make a huge difference, okay? Okay, let's get it poured. Let's see how much it is so I know how much alcohol I need to add. Two. I'm gonna save this and go get some fruit. You know what it tastes like? When your mama is making a chocolate cake and she lets you lick the spoon. That's what it tastes like. Now you gotta add equal parts vodka. Half a cup with a few different times. A little tinge of salt. Then you shake it. You see it's moving all the way through now, so you know it's fully integrated. Okay, let's give it a taste. Let me excited. Ooh, you see that stain? Listen, either this stuff is easy or I just got a knack for it. I don't know. I don't know. Y'all gonna have to tell me. But this right here, I hope you guys have a fabulous, fabulous evening. This you could use for anything. You could pour this over some ice cream. Ooh, if you want to have like some boozy pancakes or boozy French toast or something like that. Ooh, you could put this in your coffee. Yo. Let's go. Now, stay tuned because you never know what I'm making next. Let me know what you'd like for me to make. And until next time, I'm MeannaDK and I love y'all. I swear I do.